after completing the refit on my beautiful pirate ship, I took a bad fall. I broke 3 ribs and punctured my lung. And after a stay in the hospital, we missed our weather window south, and the pirate ship was socked in for the winter. So Searle and I decided that I would go do another boat flip to enable us to purchase some much needed offshore safety gear. And he would look after the pirate ship for the winter in Washington. So don't you worry about Searle. He's going to be just fine.
So we've been putting off doing one of these small little fiddly jobs, but there is a fan at this moment running off 110, and that pumps air over the chimney and kind of distributes the heat a little bit better. This bulkhead mount Dixon Newport diesel heater, it doesn't have a very long exhaust chimney, so it doesn't distribute enough heat, and a lot of it just goes straight out the top. So the little fan helps quite a bit, but if we look at it, it's not a real pretty setup, and also you can't close this cupboard, so that's pretty irritating. So we're just going to install a little 12-volt fan. It'll probably be a lot quieter than this.
I just checked the email and we have had a request on making a commercial.
Okay, do tell.
Preventative hair loss for men. The company's called Keeps.
Okay.
I've got a few ideas I'd love to run by you. We order you a ball cap, you have to wear it for a few weeks, and slowly we're gonna have hair growing out of it.
We're gonna apply Keeps to the bald cap, and then we're gonna hot glue hair on.
I haven't worked out the details yet. Still working on a few, but one of them might have to do with something about referencing my luscious armpit hair.
Okay, is that what you've been doing this whole time? You've been using Keeps in your armpits?
No, because Keeps actually doesn't work for anywhere except for on top of your head.
Okay, what else you got?
The last one, I think it's gonna involve Searle.
Tell me more. I do love new and interesting sponsors. However, I'm gonna have to think about this one.
What about Poodle?
Well, after that little explanation from Jordan, I did a little research, and this video is now brought to you by Keeps. Keeps is a subscription service that helps men keep their hair. They offer clinically proven treatments to help men combat hair loss. The treatments are delivered straight to your door, or your companionway, just kidding, to your door. All of the treatment plans are personalized and doctor recommended, which is cool. Hair loss stops with Keeps. I can only imagine being a man and starting to lose my hair. It's gotta be really stressful. If you'd like 50% off, check out the link below. Go to keeps.com/SailingTheSloneStar. That's KEEPS.com/SailingTheSloneStar.
There you go. So one small thing done, now we're going to tackle this thing. Because that's how bright it's supposed to be. And this is where all the tools live. So whenever I want to go get any tools out of any of these cupboards, this is never good enough. Like, you have to use a head torch to find anything. So we need to find out what's wrong with this and why. I changed the bulb already and it hasn't fixed the problem. Ah. Maybe there's some. That's a lot better, but is that as bright as that side?
So now us as two women with lots of hair are just here trying to figure out how to make a commercial for it.
If you're experiencing male
I
pattern
wish that was a
baldness,
wig. I'd rip it off right now.
I know how to help you. Call me. KEEPS.com/Sailing Miss Lone Star. As of today, I have 900 daily shows live, and you can find them by following the links on sailingmisslonestar.com on the homepage. Thank you so much for watching, and a huge thank you to my patrons. You make these videos possible. We'll see you next time on Sailing Miss Lone Star.
Consciousness is just a state of mind. I meditate to metamorphosize. I need a change, I shifted paradigms. Go to Hawaii, get a whole new life. 'Cause I feel the breeze just like a second.